So, in today's video, I'll show you how to schedule recurring cleanings on your DREAME Aqua10 Ultra. You need to go to the app, so let's open the app, then click on three dots in top right corner, scheduled cleaning, and now you can see I already have one schedule. You can have multiple ones of them. It works basically like an alarm clock on your phone in the clock app, of course. You just click on plus to create a new one. You set a starting time, the repetition. When it's set to once you turn on the schedule, it will happen on the closest possible occasion. Then it'll turn off the schedule, but leave it saved so you can enable it again anytime, so it happens on the next possible occasion. Then there's daily, Monday to Friday, weekend, or custom, and you can set the days yourself. So I'll do Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then you can select Clean Genius to either all. So Clean Genius means it uses AI in order to estimate which suction power, which water flow level, and everything. All the settings are to estimate what's needed. You can also select room and just select the rooms that are going to be cleaned in this schedule, or custom, and you can select all room or some shortcuts that you can also add and adjust the settings here yourself. Then approve it, and you can see now it's enabled. I could also disable it or re-enable it, and yeah, that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.